Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to lock your application with the passcode or Face ID on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you already have this shortcuts application on your iPhone. If you have this application, you just need to go to the App Store to download this shortcuts. But whenever you have it, you just need to go click it to open it. And now we just need to do an automations by going into this part. You just need to go click it, and after that we just need to start create a new automation by click this plus button. And this plus button, you can create the personal automation in the first options here by click it, and after that you just need to scrolling down and find an app sections here. You just need to go click it, and you just need to choose the application by just going click this part, and after that you just need to choose the applications that you want to lock. So for me, let's do it meet you. So I will like to lock this application. So you just need to go click it, and after you're done, you just need to go click done. And now you just need to change from is opened here, and then after that you just need to go click next. And now you just need to go click and add an action by click this part, and after that in the search button you just need to type lock. And now you just need to go click it, and now you just need to go click next. And as before running here, you don't need to activate this. You just need to go click this part and go click confirm. And now you just need to go click done. So for the next thing we have to do is check either we already created the application locked or not by go click the application that you already locked before, and you can see it's automatically locked. So that's the way how to lock the application on your iPhone. If you found out this tutorial today is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.